Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We live where it's cold, so I always like to make sure that my son is extra warm when we go outside. I got this Huggalugs T-Rex dinosaur beanie hat, and it is so cute. I love how soft the feel of the knitting is and that it's hand knitted, so it feels so nice and great quality. It's nice and stretchy, so it is perfect to get onto his head, and it's not going to leave any red marks when you take it off for being too tight. When my son is bopping around and jumping and running outside, it's super cute to watch this little pom-pom go. I love how big it is, and it's so nice and fluffy. It just looks adorable. I love the nice muted colors of it also, so it can go with many of his different outfits that he has and match really well. I love how warm and fuzzy this hat is, and then it can last for a while for my son because it's such great quality. And that's my point of view.